nga tetunagenda wala katumalize ne zino zi Ford Ranger. Yeah, we got the Wildtrak here. This is the Wildtrak edition. So ko itao balageko nga bwe netolola wali nange. This is the Wildtrak edition. Yeah, it's a 2022 model. You can check it out. You got the wireless charging here, the cool screen over here, our massive rugged steering wheel with our premium leather seats and the back with the premium leather over there. Yeah, let's take this tour to the bay. Balageko wane mabega. Yeah, check the leg room. You got quite ample leg room here. Dive to the back here. Our cargo tray with a cover over there. Massive lights. The towing. We got this one also. This is the XLT, 4-wheel drive as well. It's a Ranger. This one is the Wildtrak, same as that one. Yeah. Oops. Oh. So this is a 2022 as well. But that one is the XLT, the one in the middle. The other one's a Wildtrak. Actually, you can see the difference. That's a Wildtrak. This is the XLT, the Wildtrak of the Ford Ranger. So there we go. We got a Chevy here, Silverado Chevy. It's a 6.2 liter engine. This one is a V8. Come check this ZZ1. Okay, this is a 2021 Silverado XLT. Wow. For those who are good at trucks and you need one of these, yeah, we got the sunroof over there. Yeah, we also got ample room over there on the rear. We got this cool box with USB charging ports and cup holders here. We got wireless charging here. We got controls over here. Yeah, this for lane assist, parking, idling, many here. It's a V8 actually. It's a 6.2 liter. So in case you need one of these, inbox. You need into ebiri. Obeyo matugenda okusinzirira okulaba ki kyovaawo nakyo. Jangu tusembe neno. Twaziseko nga batakomewo. It's also a 2021 Silverado. Yeah. Zibalage kao. That one's a ZZ1. This one is this is the LTZ of this Silverado 2021 model. Neno nayo weri. It's got actually this one. Ina buli kimu ekyeri, but the other one is a ZZ1. This one is the LTZ. So ndoza kati mufule busy. Let's check the back. These are massive trucks, as you can see. Check this legroom over here. Check this rear cabin, or the rear row here. Wow, it's too big. You know, you can have this one for yourself. You know, we are not fafagana na emisolo fete. Tukulina ako buzibu. We don't have a cover here for the tray, but arranging. Yeah, I think this is it for that day. In case you need any of the cars that we've toured today, just inbox. I'll assist you immediately. Thank you. Bye bye.